Welcome to indexing. We can see that the prior step was completed because it is showing green in the grid. There is a date and time of completion as well. We're going to go ahead and double click in the indexing grid. So here are our documents to be indexed. You can see that the background of this panel is green. That way at a glance you know that you're in the indexing task. You can go ahead and open a shortcut menu on the top left of the screen. You can also open that using the Control-K shortcut. Our cursor defaults into the first field that we need to complete. Although we always want to give a glance to the doc type to make sure that it's been selected correctly, which in this case it has. If we needed to change it, we would just click on the arrow and make a new selection from the drop-down. You're going to index simply by using your keyboard and typing in what the fields are asking for. Now you should notice that there are little tips next to the indexing labels. So this one says number and street only. If you hover over it, it will put it in a little pop-up so that you can read it more clearly. This one says if there's an ending page number, for your ending page number, you want to use the same as the starting page number if there is only one page in the document. So always make sure you're paying attention to the tips. Book number is 7, and this whole series of documents is actually book number 7. So a shortcut is after you type the value, use the F5 key. I just hit it, and that is going to carry the value 7 through all of the book number fields of this whole package. Once you get to the bottom of the indexing fields in the green, you're going to hit Enter to move to the line item fields at the bottom. Line items are often used when you need more than one value entered for an indexing field. When you're done, you just go ahead and hit Enter to move to the next document. Now, as you can see, we do have book number 7 already filled in that document. If you forget or skip a field or just get crazy and hit Enter by accident, you will get a message that tells you what fields you have missed that are required to be filled in. You can just simply click OK and go back and fill those fields in. And like magic, we are at the end of our indexing. And it sends us back out to the main page. So you can see the indexing step is complete because it's now filled in green and has a date and time stamp. So we're going to move right to QC. QC1 is the first QC category, which means that you are going to check the values entered in every field and make sure that they are accurate. You'll notice that the QC screen has a lavender background for the panel. That way at a glance, you know if you're indexing or QCing. So we're just going to take a quick look through and see how we did. Well, this one has a mistake. There we go, that's better. We're just clicking through. And it looks great. All right. We have finished the QC step and we're ready to export. Depending on whether your export is set up to be done manually or automatically, we'll tell you whether or not you need to do anything to export. But for now, I think that we're good to go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.